Now, which are those continents? Which are those
Asia,
continents?
Africa, Antarctica, South America, North America, uh, mm, Europe,
Very
and
good.
Australia.
Very good. Who answered this question?
Lakshmi Ravi Bhushan.
Very good, Nakvi. Very good. You answered absolutely right. It is there are seven continents, right? And from which we are going to learn today about the continent Antarctica. Yes, we live in India, right? And India is part of which continent, beta? We have already learned this. India is a part of which continent?
Asia,
Huh? Asia. And
Asia,
which is the very good? And which is the biggest continent?
Asia,
Hello.
Asia,
Which is biggest continent is
Asia.
very good. So in this lesson, we are going to learn about the other continent. We have already learned many things about Asia. Do you remember or not? Yes,
What, ma'am?
we have already learned about Asia. Now we are going to learn about the continent Antarctica. Which continent? The continent Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Yes. Now this continent is the coldest continent. What it is? It is the
Coldest.
yes. It is the
Coldest.
coldest and least friendly place on the earth. What it is, better? Least
Coldest
and least friendly place on the
friendly place on the
yes on
earth.
the
Earth.
earth, right? On earth means there is very less population and it is very cold. What it is? It is very
Very cold. Very
cold.
cold.
Yes, if you can see in the picture, yes, can you see? This is Antarctica continent. White color you can see.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
this is Antarctica continent.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
this is our planet Earth. What it is, beta? ये क्या है?
Planet of the earth.
Yes, our planet Earth. Yes, and
Planet
this
of the
continent, yes, ये continent जिसकी हम बात कर रहे हैं, that is Antarctica. Okay, clear? What is this continent?
Antarctica.
Yes, Antarctica.
Antarctica.
Yes, and what it is? What is the first statement that I gave you? It is
Coldest.
and,
Coldest.
and
Coldest and least friendly. Friendly place on earth.
on the earth. Very
Earth.
least, मतलब कि
Earth.
it is not very known to many people on the earth. है ना? It is very less friendly on the earth. Now, geography of Antarctica. Where is Antarctica, this continent, located? है ना? Where is it located? ये कहाँ पे है? Yes, that we will see. Where is it located? Where? Which continent? Antarctica. Okay. Which continent we are talking here?
Antarctica.
Yes, Antarctica. Okay. Now, Antarctica is continent at the South Pole. Which pole it is, better?
At the South Pole.
Yes. 1 minute. I'll show you in my whiteboard. Four directions we have learned. This is north,
North,
this is south,
south,
west,
east,
and
west.
east.
West.
Right? Right?
Yeah, east.
Now,
Yeah.
Antarctica. This is all over Earth. Okay. Now, Antarctica continent is located on the South Pole. Where it is located?
South Pole.
Yes, just down. Where? Here, South Pole. So, what is the degree here? This is north. This is south. Here it is 90 degree. है ना? And same here it is
90
90.
degree.
Yes. So, where it is located? It is located at the south.
South Pole.
Clear to all?
South Pole.
हाँ.
Yes.
Now, how is the Antarctica word term? Yes, what is the meaning of Antarctica word that we will see? 1 minute. Yes. Can you see this?
Yes.
Yes. Antarctica is the least populated continent of our planet. Okay, of our planet Earth. समझ में आ रहा है ना? Do you understand?
Yes. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
The word Antarctica comes from the Greek term. From where does it come, beta? From the Greek term Antarctic, meaning the opposite to Arctic, means opposite to the north. What does it mean? Antarctic. Why? And इसका meaning क्या होता है? Opposite to the north. This is what? This is north direction. This is south direction.
South.
Right? So Antarctica कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे.
South. South.
So what it is? It is opposite to the
Opposite.
north
South.
direction.
North. North.
Right? Opposite to the north
North
direction. Is it
direction.
clear? Mhm.
Yes.
So what it is? So what it is known as? So what it is known as? It is also known
Opposite.
the meaning. हाँ, Antarctica जो word है, it is a Greek term. Okay, it is a Greek term, and the meaning of Antarctica is opposite to Arctic. What it is?
Arctic.
Arctic के opposite, opposite to the north. Okay,
North.
understood?
Yes.
Understood? Okay. Yes, read this Nakvi beta once.
Okay, ma'am. Antarctica is the least populated continent of our planet. The word Antarctica comes from the Greek term Antarctic, meaning the opposite of Arctic or
Hmm.
opposite to north.
Yes, understood everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, any doubt till here beta?
No, ma'am.
Everyone, why no one is answering? Everyone understood or not?
Yes, ma'am. Understood.
Yes, so what is the
Yes,
meaning
ma'am.
of,
Understood.
yes, what is
Arctic.
the meaning? हाँ, no, meaning.
Meaning opposite.
Opposite to
Op-
the north. Yes,
yeah.
opposite to the north is what beta? Opposite to the north is south. Is it
South.
clear? So
Yes.
Antarctica is in south direction. Okay, in the southern pole, okay, which is at 90 degree. Okay, at what degree it is?
90 degree.
Yes, very good. Chalo. Yes, so what is written here? Antarctica, the coldest and the least friendly place on the earth. कैसा है वो? Coldest है and the
Coldest and friendly.
least
Least
friendly place
friendly
on the
place.
earth, right? Then it is an icy continent at the south pole. देखो यहाँ पे जो है, you can see here कि this is white color, so it is fully covered. It's fully covered with what beta? With ice. Okay.
Eyes.
Yes.
Yes.
And throughout the year, 9 months, 9 months, it is covered with ice. Okay. So in this picture also you can see, okay, it is also known as white continent. Why white continent? Because full
Because
year,
eyes.
ah,
Eyes.
it is covered with, throughout the year it is covered with ice. What is
Eyes.
it covered with beta? Ice.
Eyes.
हाँ,
Eyes.
तो उसे क्या बोलते हैं? उसे
South
white,
Pole.
white continent also. It is also known as white continent. समझ में
White
आया? Is it clear?
continent. Yes.
Yes. Then covered by a permanently frozen ground. which is known as permafrost. Perma means permanently and frost. Okay. Now surrounded by water, and Antarctica is what it is, surrounded by water. Okay. About see now, it is very big also. It is 1.5 times larger than United States. United States of America. What it is known as? USA. United States of America. उससे कितना बड़ा है अंटार्कटिका? 1.5 times larger than United States. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
Now you will be very surprised to know that it is the world's largest desert is situated in Antarctica. Where it is situated, beta? ये समझ में आया?
Antarctica.
हाँ, the world's largest desert. मतलब there is very less rainfall, है ना?
Yes.
Though it is covered with snow, there is very less rainfall. Rainfall बहुत कम है वहाँ पे. Natural water. That is why it is said that Antarctica has the world's largest desert. What does it have, beta?
Large desert. Desert.
Yes,
World's largest
the world's largest
desert
desert is
is
on
Antarctica. Antarctica.
Yes, this was a very big fact, nahi? Right or wrong?
What, ma'am?
This is a big fact, right? Fact, सच्चाई, fact है ये, right?
Yes.
Yes, 90. Why? See, 98% of the land is covered with ice. How many percent? 98%.
98%.
मतलब you imagine कि आप 1-2% ही खाली आइस से कवर नहीं है, बाकी 98% पूरा का पूरा it is covered with ice. What is it covered with?
Ice.
Yes. How many percent?
98%.
Yes. And it has about 87% of the world's ice. कितना percent?
87% of the world ice.
World, पूरे world में, in the whole world, how much ever ice is there? 87% of the world's ice is in Antarctica. Is it clear till here? Huh?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So I'll ask you some questions without showing the screen, then we'll move ahead.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Chalo. Huh?
Only 1% in the world is ice.
Sorry?
Only 1% is the ice of world.
Sorry?
Ma'am means only 1% of the world has the ice.
Yes, the rest of it is where?
Ma'am, the world has
The rest of is in Antarctica. Right? Understood? It is in the whole, everywhere in the world, it is in different forms. Yes? It is in different forms. Like it is, in the form of mountains, glaciers, and all this, right? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Hana? Yes. Now, who will say me without seeing my screen? Who will say me that where is Antarctica located?
ma'am in the south.
Very good. In the, where is it located? In the South Pole.
South.
Yes. And what it is known as? What is the meaning of Antarctica?
Opposite of the North Pole.
Very good.
Arctic.
Arctic. Opposite of the North Pole.
Pole.
Very good. Chalo. Clear till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So we will read this once more. Who will like to read?
Hassan Kapasi.
Yes, Hassan, read beta. So that we'll then move to the next slide of our day.
Okay, ma'am. One. Uh, First point. Ice continent at the South Pole, covered by permafrost, permanently frozen ground, surrounded by water, about 1.5 times larger than the United States, as the world's largest desert in Antarctica. 98% of the land is covered with ice, as about 87% of the world's ice.
Yes, very good, very good. Understood till here, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
So, if
No, ma'am.
yes, if we want to go on this continent, can we go? No, we can go, but we need to be very strong because it is very cold there. Yes, it is like an icy continent. We cannot live for more days over there. One has to be, very strong to go there. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now, say me that which continent uh, is the Antarctica continent? Sorry, on which pole is the Antarctica continent?
South.
Ma'am, South Pole.
Yes,
South
it is in
Pole.
the South Pole. Yes,
South Pole.
and it is larger than which one continent, which one country we saw? 1.5 time larger than.
United States.
Yes, United States of America, right? USA जिसे
Yes.
बोलते हैं, right? Okay, and
Yes.
where is the world's largest desert?
Uh, Antarctica.
Yes, Antarctica. And how much of the land is covered with ice over there in Antarctica?
98%.
Very good.
98%.
Yes, and world's how much amount of ice is there?
87%.
Yes, 87% of ice of pure world is in Antarctica, right? Clear till here, everyone, or in
Yes.
doubt?
No, ma'am. Clear.
Yes. Now without seeing answer, okay? Once you give answers with seeing. Yes or no? Now without
Yes.
seeing, chalo. How much
Okay.
percent of the
Yes, sir.
this land is how much is the Antarctica continent? Sorry, how much is the land of Antarctica continent covered with snow, ice?
98%.
98 percentage.
Very good. And of the world's ice?
87%.
Very good.
87.
And what it is
1
known
percentage.
as? What is this continent? Other
What?
name of this continent? I said you right now.
Coldest opposite.
हाँ नहीं it
Arctic.
is it it is also known as white continent.
Oh, white continent.
WHITE, white color we have now.
Yes.
Okay, understood. It is also known as white
White con.
continent. Understood, everyone till here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, chalo.
Yes.
And uh, okay, white continent also it is known as it is also known as icy continent also, right? And it is very coldest place on the whole earth. Okay. Clear till here, everyone? Any
Yes,
doubt?
ma'am. No,
Huh?
ma'am.
Okay.
No,
Then
ma'am.
now we will see. Yes. cold. It is, see, Antarctica. How is the climate of Antarctica? Now we will see that. What we will see better? How is the climate of Antarctica? Okay, cold. It has the coldest, windiest, and driest place on the earth. How it is better? Coldest,
Windiest,
and
coldest,
dry,
windiest, driest
driest.
place.
Yes, yes. Means what? Okay, it is very cold over there. How it is better? Very cold over there.
Cold,
Yes,
cold.
yes. And you know better, it is also with the cold के साथ साथ it is also very dry. Yes, how it is?
Dry,
Yes,
Dry.
very dry. Yes.
dry.
We are till here, everyone.
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
No.
Understanding, no? Because see,
Yes, ma'am.
this is this lesson is not there in your textbook, right? So what you have to do is you have to understand from here only. Understood? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now you can see that the Antarctica continent, the coldest temperature ever recorded on the earth was at the South Pole. Where it was? It was at the South Pole, which reached till which reached how much? 128.6 degree Fahrenheit. How
Six
much?
F
Yes, F
six
means Fahrenheit.
128.6 degree
Degree.
Fahrenheit.
Yes, and
Fahrenheit.
C, if it is written here C, then it is Celsius, and F means Fahrenheit. Okay. On average, most of Antarctica gets less than 2 inches of snowfall every year. How much? Less than. बहुत कम snowfall होता है, but still see it is covered with snow, right? How much snowfall is there? Less than two
Two
inches.
inch.
हाँ.
Less
So it
than
is,
2 inch.
yes. So it is very less snowfall, right?
Yes.
Now, who will say me what is the temperature in the Antarctica? How is the climate of Antarctica?
Coldest. Sun kapas इसे.
Yes, Hassan Kapasi, say beta.
Coldest.
Very good.
Wind. No. Windest.
Hmm. Windiest.
Driest.
Very good.
Driest.
Very good. Coldest, windiest, and driest. Right?
Yes.
Here till everyone. Here. And how much
Yes,
amount?
ma'am. Clear.
Yes. How much amount of snowfall every year on average is Antarctica get?
Less than 2 inch.
कितना? Very good, my dear students. Less than 2 inches of
Two
snowfall.
inch.
Very good. I am very much impressed. आप सब अच्छे से ध्यान दे रहे हो. You all are studying very nicely. Yes. But this way only you start preparing for your exams also. Okay. Because your exams are coming closer now. Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
And see that you copy the notes in your fair book, whatever I send or other teachers send you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes. So everyone understood till here or any doubt?
No, ma'am. No doubt. Clear.
Clear, no? Okay, so I'll move ahead.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
now this is your question today. Why do you think that Antarctica is so much colder than the Arctic? Arctic Circle is in North Pole, right? Antarctica,
Yes.
yes. So
Antarctica is South Pole and Arctic is in the North Pole.
yes, today this is your takeaway question. What it is? You go to
Take
a
a
hot
question.
takeaway. Means what? You are going to note down this question in your rough book and you will try to bring out the answers for this. So write down this question. Write down the takeaway question. Beta, everyone wrote it down. I have the answer for this, but I will be
Ma'am,
giving you tomorrow when you come out with when you will come with your answers. We will discuss and then we will find out the right answer. Note it down, everyone.
Ma'am, 1 minute. 1 minute.
Note it down, everyone. Yes or no? Say. Hello.
ये लिखना है।
From when I'm saying
Ma'am,
note
you
it
have
down,
to
note it
note
down.
only this and
Yes, and then you have to bring the answers for that. Is it clear?
okay, ma'am. So we have to
You have to.
bring tomorrow answer of this question.
Yes, in the next class, you will try to think. This is takeaway question. Okay, why ma'am has said this? Okay.